This portable air conditioner unit off of Amazon a couple weeks ago. We wanted to use it for a week before we did a product review on it. I will say that we're really happy with it. It's a 10,000 BTU unit. A lot of the other ones seem to be like 8,000 or less. We are remodeling our house, and as we do that, we need something we can move from room to room. Right now, I've just gone and drilled a 6-inch hole to the outside and have the exhaust vented out, the heat exhaust vented. It does have a drain here for your dehumidifier. This can either be drained out, move the unit outside and dump it, or you can hook this hose up to it, or inside here it has a spot for a drip down into a container if you are so inclined. The nice thing about this unit is it also comes with a cool little remote. Now, all the functions on the remote are here. There's your power, and there's your timer, that's your swing, that's your fan speed, that's your cooling temperature. But everything is here on the remote, and words are printed rather than trying to decipher the pictures. So like here, if we turn it on, it's telling me right now that it's 70 degrees in the house. All right, and we turn it on to 70. Opens up on its own. And then we're going to go turn on cool. We'll turn it down so it turns it on. And then turn the fan on. Here we go. Whew. I know you can't feel the breeze through the video, but I can. It's pretty chilly. And here, try to turn the temperature down. You can adjust the swing, which is this here. And if you just press this button, it'll go up and down and just vary through the room. Or get it to right where you want it, hit it and it stops. And then you've got your, if you want to use the dehumidifier, there's a button for that. It has sleep mode and a timer. Change it to Fahrenheit or Celsius, depending which part of the world you live in. Overall, we absolutely love this thing. We have a room that doesn't have any, right now, have any windows in it, and an air conditioner that's unreliable and really eats up a lot of juice. And this has been pretty much our say, it's, I hate to say it's our savior, but it pretty much is. But this thing is great for the money. I mean, you could put money into a standalone HVAC unit, but if you've got a smaller apartment, or you're going to be moving stuff around, or remodeling like we're doing, this thing is absolutely perfect. It just goes from room to room and wherever you need it to be. I think when we remodel the apartment above the garage, this might go up there. This is a little bit to take the edge off. But for now, we couldn't be happier.
Alright, so I plugged this up in my garage just to test it out. I like the size of it. It doesn't take up a whole lot of space. It's got kind of a, like, my hand size. The narrow depth to it. It's very easy to move around. It has little wheels. It slides pretty good. It feels very nice. Like the temperature right here, blowing out very cold air. So we're going to set on 68. It hasn't been plugged up long. You just turn it on and it's cold. It's got lots of buttons and features here. settings here. It's got a timer on it. Very nice little AC. And it seems to be cooling off the garage really nicely, even though we kind of have it open just a little bit. It still feels pretty nice, so I think this is going to be perfect for what we need to use it for. Great little AC.